Friends, continuing our answer writing series, today we will examine the role of Chief Minister of Odisha or any other state for that matter. De facto executive authority rests with the Chief Minister of the state. Then CM with the Council of Ministers collectively responsible to Legislative Assembly. Then CM is the head of the government and ministers are appointed on the advice of the Chief Minister. Then portfolios are allocated by CM. CM has the power to remove a minister from office, or he may advise the governor to drop a minister. Then CM presides over meetings of the state cabinet. Then CM acts as both leader of the majority group as well as the legislature. Then CM oversees performance of his cabinet ministers and fine-tune administration. CM defends his government policies in the state legislative assembly. CM maintains law and order to ensure industrial and agricultural progress in the state. CM maintains a cordial relationship with the central government to get the help in the form of grant in aid for the developmental purposes during natural disasters and protect the state from any external threat. CM informs governor in respect of administration of his government under Article 167. Now, I hope you are with this information you can write the role of Chief Minister of any state. And now moving to the next. Now friends, moving to the next question. The next question is composition of Odisha Vidhan Sabha. We have to give the recent composition of our Vidhan Sabha. Odisha Vidhan Sabha comprises of 113 MLAs of the ruling BJD, 23 MLAs of BJP and 1 IND MLA which form the opposition, and other MLAs of 9 MLAs from Congress and 1 MLA from CPI-M. Thus, Odisha Vidhan Sabha consists of both ruling as well as opposition members. Then, examine the function of Council of Ministers in Odisha. Council of Ministers has the responsibility of running various government departments or ministries such as finance, employment, industry, agriculture, IT and many other, answering questions related to their ministry in the floor of the house, furnishing information to the governor from time to time if the governor may require. Whenever governor requires the functioning of any particular ministry, then Council of Ministers provide him the information. Then advise the governor in important matters relating to state administration. That is also an important function of the Council of Ministers of the state. Then examine the functions of State Information Commission in Odisha. State Information Commission is there in various in every state after Right to Information Act 2005. Then he acts as a second appellate authority for RTA application. He acts as a second appellate authority, not the first, second. Then inquires into complaints under RTA Act. If any complaint comes under RTA Act, he inquires into it. Then has the powers of a civil court. No public record can be withheld from it during the inquiry or complaint. No public information can be withheld from State Information Commissioner. It is very important point. Can be withheld from the State Information Commissioner. Now moving to the next question. The next question is brief note on the functions of the chairman of Panchayat samiti. Then the chairman of the Panchayat Samiti has multiple roles, including coordinating projects, funding between district and village levels, supporting current development projects, designing new development projects, maintaining public utilities, managing hospitals, health centers, and managing schools and other education programs. All these things comes under the function of chairman of Panchayat Samiti. Means all sort of developmental project you can write. Then examine the sources of revenue for a Gram Panchayat. What are the sources of revenue of Gram Panchayat? Most of the civil services, state civil services exam, this question is being asked generally. Land revenue of the village, collection of house tax, water tax, vehicle tax, entertainment tax, professional tax, income from stray cattle, pen fines, sales of compost, grant from Zilla Parishad, annual fair and festival tax, grants from central and state finance commissions, tax on local industries, land tax and toll tax. These are the sources of income of Gram Panchayat. Then moving to the next question is, how does the government exercise control over the Gram Panchayat? In Gram Panchayat, who is the controlling authority? On behalf of the government, the collector or any officer authorized by the collector has the power to inspect, supervise and control over the Gram Panchayat. Means either collector or a person or an officer authorized by the collector, he will inspect, supervise and control the Gram Panchayat. Then beside the MLA of the area, chairman of the Panchayat Samiti and president of Zilla Parishad. Other three are who are they? Local MLA, then chairman of Panchayat Samiti and president of Zilla Parishad have the power to inspect the respective Gram Panchayat. Means either collector or officer appointed by collector, then chairman of Panchayat Samiti, local MLA and president of Zilla Parishad. You have to write all these things. Now moving to the next question. The next question is, explain the composition of a Zilla Parishad. How the Zilla Parishad is formed. Members of Zilla Parishad are elected from the district on the basis of adult franchise for a term of 5 years. For 5 years, people are being elected to Zilla Parishad. Zilla Parishad has a minimum of 50 and maximum of 75 members. There are seats reserved for SC, ST, OBC and women candidates. Then coming to the next question is, explain main functions of Zilla Parishad. It was on the composition. The next one is on function. Providing essential services and facilities to rural population, planning and execution of developmental programs for the district, supplying of improved seeds to farmers, setup of educational schools and institutions. Zilla Parishad coordinates all developmental activities in the district. Hope you people are clear with all this. These are frequently asked questions. And sir and ma'am, if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. Thank you.